Hey guys, have we seen so far the effects of climate change here in North America? I just want to show you a few examples what we have seen so far. You know, when we came to Canada in the summer 2023, Canada was on fire. There were 7,000 bushfires, wildfires out there, and that destroyed the area 4 times of Switzerland, 150,000 square kilometers. And then we came to Montreal in eastern Canada. We encountered the biggest rain they had in the last 50 years. Unbelievable. And in Montreal there was even a tornado warning. Then we thought we were gonna be safe in Florida. But of course we knew here in the Everglades there can be hurricanes, but we never ever expected that we're going to end up in one. It was Hurricane Idalia with wind speeds of up to 80 kilometers per hour. And why that? Of course, because the Gulf of Mexico is too hot. The water temperatures have reached up to 32 degrees this summer. Finally, we came to the Grand Canyon, and there we learned that they have a drought since 22 years already. The Colorado River is almost dried out. Stay tuned and follow us on our adventure.